Science fiction movies often depict scenarios where robots take over humanity, causing us to wonder if this could ever become a reality. While it is difficult to predict the future, it is unlikely that this type of event will occur in the near future. However, artificial intelligence continues to advance at a rapid pace and is capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be impossible. One example of this is Chat GPT, a chatbot developed by OpenAI, a startup founded by Elon Musk. The name GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which refers to the chatbot's ability to generate new text based on a large dataset that it has been pre-trained on. The chatbot only has access to information till it was trained, which is until 2021. That's why sometimes it renders some questions useless, as it is unaware of recent developments. Chat GPT is able to perform a variety of tasks, including summarizing long paragraphs, suggesting food ideas, and even coding in Python at a fast pace. Its capabilities are truly impressive, and when it was launched in November 2022, it gained 1 million users in just 5 days. While Chat GPT can be a valuable tool, it is important to note that it is not always reliable and may not always provide accurate answers, according to OpenAI. This is something to consider when using Chat GPT or any other artificial intelligence technology. However, despite its limitations, Chat GPT represents the potential of artificial intelligence and the amazing capabilities that these technologies may have in the future. It is a glimpse into what is possible with artificial intelligence and the potential it has to revolutionize various industries and change the way we live and work.